Welcome class. Today let us understand what are chemical reactions and how the chemical reactions are converted into equations. Now first, to understand this concept, first let us understand what is an chemical. It's very important to understand what is an chemical. What is a chemical according to you guys? Any substance can be considered as chemical. Yes or no guys? Yes, any substance can be considered as an chemical. Any substance in an element. For example, let me say it as, let it be a normal, as simple as sugar, water, which are any substance which are considered chemical. Condition is given like TNC condition, it should be natural. Yes or no? Yes, it should be natural. Let it be sugar or water, let it be any sort of. Did you get it? Now let us understand what is chemical reaction. Now let me explain what is. Now we have chemicals. Let me consider any sort of chemical. Sugar plus water. What happens, sir? When I am adding sugar plus water, it gives me a solution, that is sugar solution. Yes or no? Yes. Sugar is sweet, and water is tasteless. Water is thin in nature. Yes or no? It's very thin. You can see cross by cross. It's transparent. Whereas this solution has different taste, and we have different. It becomes thick. Yes or no? It becomes thick. When you mix sugar, you can observe that it becomes thick and the properties are changed. Now it can't be boiled. It can't be boiled easily. Can't be boiling. For example, water boils at 100 degrees centigrade. This can be boiled at 120 degrees centigrade. That means it can't be boiling at 100 degrees centigrade. It can't be boiling at as normal as 100 degrees centigrade. That means here we are able to observe that when we are mixing one chemical component with another chemical component, the resultant which we are getting has completely different. A taste has changed, his physical property, his physical appearance has changed, his physical property has changed, almost everything has been changed. That is, let us understand what is now. Let me say what is a chemical reaction. Chemical reaction, when we mix, when two or more chemical substance mix together and give a different substance or element is called chemical reaction. Are you able to call chemical reaction when two or more chemical substance mix together and give a different element, chemical substance. Example, let me consider adding carbon. Sir, what is carbon? Wood. Carbon is nothing but wood. Now what is next thing? I am adding oxygen. How I am giving oxygen, sir? To burn in air. Now what I am getting? Sir, black soot. That is black color fumes. That is carbon dioxide. This was a gas present in air. I am burning wood, giving ignition. Now what I got? Some black color gas. Now what was this? Solid substance. This was gas. Now this has become a black color gas. The same way we can understand many things. Many examples can be given. Let me explain you one more example. Now I am holding a magnesium ribbon. Now I am burning a burner. Burner is nothing but in which a fire, a stove type element, and I am holding with a tongue. Now if I am holding a magnesium ribbon, a ribbon which is made of magnesium. When I am burning it, I am able to see that magnesium is falling. That is, an iron ribbon is coated with magnesium. When I am heating this both, I am getting magnesium separate. The color is been changing. The properties of magnesium are different. Everything is changing. Are you able to understand that? When I am explaining more than iron plus magnesium, let me take a very clear example of magnesium oxide, which is relevant to your textbook. Magnesium plus oxygen. Now I am getting magnesium. It has different properties and different ways of completely different. Are you able to understand it? Now, how can we understand that a chemical reaction has been taken place? We should have some understanding methodologies. Yes or no? Yeah. Now let me understand the following. By these following steps, we can understand that the chemical reaction has taken place. First, the change in state. So how? Let me give an example. The change in state. Let me give you a very simple example. Sir, I have an ice example. I am keeping water H2O. I am freezing it. Freeze. I am getting ice cube. Sir, this was liquid. This has become solid. That means a chemical reaction has been taken place inside the water, which converted H2O liquid into ice cubes. Did you get it? Now change in color. So let me understand what is the change in color. That is very important. One more thing to understand change in color. Change in color. How can we understand change in color? Change in color is nothing but, for example, I am adding an colored milk plus and some flavor, or our favorite Horlicks. Now what happens, sir? Will the milk is white? This is brown. Horlicks is brown. What we get? We get something which is creamy color. What can you observe that the color is changed. Here milk is white, Horlicks is brown, but we are getting a creamy color. Did we understand what is the change in color? Yes. Next, number 3. Let us understand. What is number 3? Evolution of gases. Let us understand what is evolution of gas. evolution of gas. Now let us understand this clearly. Sir, evolution of gas कैसे understand करेंगे? How will we understand? Let me consider the simple example I gave. I am considering carbon, wood, flash. What I am doing? I am burning with the presence of oxygen. What will I get? CO2. Sir, this is gas. Gas is coming, a black color smoke. What we call smoke. Yes or no? I am burning wood in the presence of oxygen. What I am getting? Smoke. Are you able to see? Evolution of gas. What's the last thing? Change in temperature. Have you ever mixed Glucon-D? Guys, have you ever observed mixing Glucon-D? Anyone? Very good. 4. Change in temperature. Change in temp. Change in temperature. Have you ever mixed Glucon-D or usually something called this Tang or Glucon-D? Yes or no? If we mix this with water, if you touch, you feel that the water has become more cooler. The water temperature has dropped. Have you ever observed it? This is your assignment, a simple assignment, because everyone has this at home. Let me, and you will observe the results. A simple activity. Take a glass of water plus add Tang or Glucon-D. You will observe the decrease in temperature. Did you get it? What are the 4 main points we studied? Change in the taste, change in the state. Sir, what happens? Ice. Change in the state, what happens? Is ice. Now change in the color. Change in the color. What did we study about change in the color? Milk. When you are mixing milk. Evolution of gas, burning of wood. Change in the temperature. For example, mixing Glucon-D or Tang with water. There are many more examples, just I gave so that for the betterment understanding. Did you get it? Yeah!